Hope you're all having a wonderful day and welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of competing with the sunlight here, if you couldn't tell. It's kind of getting a little bright, so I'm going to make this a very quick tutorial using the new Benefit Cosmetics Brow Microfilling Pen. I am supposed to get this in the mail from Benefit, so thank you in advance, Benefit, but I actually went out and bought this from Sephora the day it launched. I was so excited, especially since my brows are already microbladed. I'm always looking for something that will help me recreate that look as they are now in the fading process. So I hope you guys are excited for today's tutorial, and let's jump into it. Clearly, I'm in desperate need of this brow pen. I'm using the dark brown shade. It does have 3 prongs and is made out of nylon instead of polyester, which is what other brow pens are made out of. This helps it so it doesn't skip at all and so that the product is evenly dispersed throughout the 3 prongs. So in the front part of my brow, I'm holding this so that all 3 prongs are touching my skin at the same time. And then towards the back half of my brow, I'm then holding the pen so that it basically allows me to make individual hair strokes. This is really neat. It's kind of like a 2-in-1 pen. So basically you have the ability, if you want to just draw on individual strokes, you can just change the way you're holding the pen so that you can draw those on. I am going back in and kind of layering this. It does work better if you don't, like if you just do one pass, because it's made to just make it super quick and easy. This is probably going to be the shortest tutorial I've ever done just because it was so easy to just do this pretty quickly. But if you wanted to like maybe touch up some spots that were a little sparse, you are totally able to do that. It is buildable, and actually you can layer other products on top of it. Benefit described it as like a tinted moisturizer, so it's not super full coverage. If you wanted to go back on with a pencil or with a powder, that would be great. You just want to do it afterwards. And this is the finished look, just using the brow pen. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you tried out brow pens before or brow stains? Is that something you're interested in? Or do you typically find yourself going for more brow powders or brow pencils? I know for me, because I am lacking brow hair, I'm always looking for something that can help recreate that. And especially with this, it does last a really long time. I tested it out when I went wakeboarding and it held on, lasted for 24 hours. So for me, that was a huge draw because I feel like because I lack the brow hair, it tends to wear off easily when it comes to like brow pencils. Sometimes the wax just doesn't hold on as long as I would like it to. So I really love that this lasted as long as it did, and it does last for like 24 hours. So I feel like for me, just to kind of make it look more natural and recreate that depth, I find myself more drawn to using brow pens and brow stains. And I really love that there's a lot more of them coming out recently on the market, which is great for the summertime. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!